Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel Englix Academy. Let's the world listen to you. और आज हमारा थॉट ऑफ द डे है When you feel like stopping, think about why you started. और हमारा आज का पहला वर्ड है pursued, जो कि एक verb है और जिसका मीनिंग है to make somebody do something by giving him or her good reasons, और जिसका synonyms है convenience, influence, talk someone into, और antonyms dissuade, discourage, deter, और example it was difficult to pursue लीला to change her mind. और हमारा दूसरा वर्ड है presume, जो एक verb है और जिसका मीनिंग है to think that something is true even if you do not know for sure, और जिसका synonyms है assume, suppose, imagine, और example the house looks empty so I presume they are away on holiday. और हमारा तीसरा वर्ड है souvenir, और जो कि एक नाउन है और जिसका मीनिंग है something that you keep to remind you of somewhere you have been on holiday or of a special event, और जिसका synonyms है reminder, memorial, और example I brought back a menu as a souvenir of my trip. Number 4, astound, जो कि एक verb है जिसका मीनिंग है to surprise somebody very much, और synonyms amaze, surprise, astonish, और antonyms calm. और हमारा आज का आखिरी वर्ड oblivious, जो कि एक एडजेक्टिव है और जिसका मीनिंग है not noticing or realizing what is happening around you. Synonyms unaware, unconscious, और antonyms aware, conscious, और example she was completely oblivious of all the trouble and she had caused. So guys, that's enough for today and thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon.